How to create a course enrollment form in WordPress with Bitform. Let's begin. To create your first form, simply click on the Create First Form button. Here you choose what type of template to create. I choose a blank template. Now select what you want on your form. You can adjust the size of your form fields based on your requirements. You can change the label name and placeholder text. Now drag and drop the required fields for your course enrollment form. With Bitform you can easily add first name, last name drop-down menu, multi-line text fields and many more customization options. Each field can be changed according to your needs. Make sure the course enrollment form is user-friendly and the perfect trailer for your event. You can change your button text. When you are happy with your design, click Publish and copy the shortcode. Go to the Pages dashboard. Add a page. Enter the page name and paste the shortcode. Publish it. View page. Let's submit the form. Here your course enrollment form is easily prepared using Bitform. Thanks for watching.